igboticnonos. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I just woke up from sleep not too long. My kids, they didn't go to school today. They did not go to school. All the plans I had to do, they are scattered. You can hear their voice in the background. All the plans I had today have scattered. My daughter went to school yesterday, and okay, let me just give you guys a short story. Yesterday, my son had an appointment with the doctor. I don't like the sound he makes when he's sleeping, so I was a little bit concerned and disturbed. So I was a little bit concerned and disturbed. So I went to, what is it called? I went to the doctor, and I was coming back from the doctor when my daughter's teacher called and said we should come and pick her up. That she's running temperature. Luckily for me, I was already done from the hospital with my boy, so I stayed going to go and pick her up. When I came back, she ran fever, very high fever, and I was expecting this morning is gonna be okay, so they can go to school and I'll go about my daily activities and stuff I have to do today. But it was much, and I didn't let her go. I gave her medication. I used our traditional mother's way that they taught us now, you putting towel in cold water and suppressing the heat. After giving her some medications, I did that as well, and since then she's been a bit better. She's gonna have her drugs again this afternoon as well as in the night, and I'll see how tomorrow goes. Hopefully she's gonna be fine by tomorrow, because I need to go to school. I need to do my stuff, so that is it. And since morning, trust me, we've not had our bath. I'm still on my sleeping wear, likewise everybody in this house. So but I just put up my camera now, so let me just talk this shit. Hope you guys are doing cool. Hope you're enjoying my videos so far. I don't know, I just feel bringing up vlogs from time to time on this channel is gonna be cool, so that it's not every time you see my video like I've come with teaching. I hope you guys enjoy my vlogs, how it goes and everything. If I don't see your comments, I just feel you enjoyed it. But if I see your comments, how you feel about it, I will know more how you guys feel about it. But if I don't see your comments, I'm like, okay, you guys enjoy this, right? So that is just it, guys. So we're just gonna have our baths, and we've had our breakfast. I don't talk about that. We'll have our breakfast and brushed our teeth and all, but we've not had our baths. I'm just gonna check the clothes I put in the washing machine and tidy it up, and next thing we'll try to have our bath, and I'll catch you guys up. Maybe I'll be back on the camera. Maybe I'll catch you guys up tomorrow or something. Today is Thursday, and I'll catch you guys maybe up tomorrow, Friday, and that is it. See you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying my video so far. See you guys. Bringing up that content in Igbo language is such a very hard work I chose to do, because I love to do it, right? Watching my video and sharing it as well, it's something I'm going to appreciate so much, because trust me, it looks easy, but it doesn't. If you see me doing that video, the editing, the translation from Igbo to English is not a bit easy. If you don't love doing it, if it's not something you love doing, seriously, you can't cope with it. Yes, especially when I know the growth is it's very slow. I don't know why, but because I love what I'm doing, that is still the reason I'm doing it. I have some people that comment on my videos very well. I have their names on my head, and thank you guys for watching and putting down comments. For those that are watching my video and not subscribe, because YouTube send me analytics, people that are subscribed to me, that are watching my video, and people that are not subscribed to me, that are watching my video, and people that are not subscribed to me, funny enough, 97% of people watching my videos are not subscribed to me. I don't know why, but it's okay. I keep doing what I'm doing. I'm sure people that love me are gonna stick around. So guys, I hope you're enjoying my videos so far. I try to make it as simple as possible. I try to make it as short as possible, as simple as possible, so that no matter what, if you open each video and concentrate on that very day, you will learn something that very day. That is how I did it, so you can feel fulfilled. I don't want to make it like 1 hour 30 minutes, and when you don't learn anything, you just feel very dissatisfied. So I made it short, so that when you finish that particular video and you've learned from that particular video, you're like, I finished this video and I learned everything from this video today. Like you'll be so proud of yourself, kind of, and more encouraged, if I may put it that way. Please watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Biko. My daughter is saying Biko in the background. Okay guys. No need for
is no offense. No need for lawyer.
Hi, beautiful boutique nonos. So I just woke up from sleep not too long ago. Yeah, you may be asking where my kids. They've gone to school already. Yes, I've gotten them ready for school. So I came back and I slept a little bit, and I'm gonna just do other things I want to do today. I have few things to do today. I have an appointment with a dermatologist. Yes, that is because if you see here, I have this skin tag that has developed right from when I started being pregnant. When I was pregnant with my first daughter, I had a skin tag, so I was assured that it was going to go when I finished breastfeeding and all, but it didn't go, and I had my second child, which is a boy, and it added to the one I had before. So, and trust me, it's very disgusting. So these things here are the one I removed not too long ago. It's not over it's not up to 2 weeks I did remove this. It cost quite a bit, but it's irritating for me. Some people say it's not a problem for them, they like it, but for me, I don't like it. So I have few other ones I need to take off as well, but I'm seeing a different dermatologist today because the other person that removed these ones said these ones are very tiny, and she wouldn't want to touch it till it gets big. Hell, why would I wait for it to get big before I get it removed? Some people have acne that are very tiny and never get big, and they have it surplus till they manage their face right. So she is telling me I should relax. When it gets a little bit better, then I'll get it removed. Who has patience for that? I don't either. I don't like it. Some people say they're not disturbed with it, but it disturbs me because I never had it on my skin. I just started having it due to pregnancy, and I read about it. They say pregnancy is among the reasons you can develop a skin tag. Yes, they wrote it there that pregnancy is among the reasons you develop a skin tag, but mine came through pregnancy and it has refused to go. So, and I cannot have it on my skin because it makes me uncomfortable. I don't know if I'm making sense. It makes me uncomfortable. So I have an appointment today, and I'm going to go to my dermatologist, and we talk about it and we know the way forward. Besides this one here, the previous dermatologist skin aesthetics, I don't even know what they call it, said this is going to fade out and becomes my skin color as time goes on. I'm kind of believe because this is just about 3 weeks. Today's gonna make it 3 weeks I had this. Yes, today's gonna make it 3 weeks I had this removed. So fingers crossed it's gonna go back to my skin. It's better than seeing, see, trust me, it's better than seeing this than seeing that stuff. That stuff for me doesn't go down well. In between, and I love sleeping in this room. These are my kids' room, but I love sleeping here. I don't know, I've just gotten used to sleeping here. We sleep here, we wake up and stuff like that. I've just gotten used to that. So since then I've just been doing it. Maybe I'm gonna change when they grow a little bit, right? Maybe it does not matter anyways. So that's it. So guys, let's go. Hi guys, I promised you guys I was gonna take you guys along with me yesterday concerning the dermatologist appointment, but there was no dermatologist appointment anymore. I called it and cancelled it because I had another appointment today, which I'm on my way right now. Like, I'm gonna go to somewhere first and take a little bit of class, then just a short class for something I need. Then after then I'll start going to where I have my appointment. Yes, just a little bit of meeting. Then from there I start I'll just go home. So I didn't have the dermatologist appointment today again, but I've rebooked the appointment, so I'm going to have it sometime next week, sometime next week Friday. I know most people are going through that skin tag thing. I am very sure most people are going through it. Like, that shit can be so annoying, like so annoying. So I know most of you want to see the way it goes and all.
To sing.
So guys, I'm seated waiting. Yeah, waiting to be attended to. So I don't know how long I'll be wasting here.